Welcome Polish clients to Wishpower for discussions on dropout fuses, composite hard metal oxide arresters, and composite insulation materials. They inquired whether our arresters and fuses could withstand Poland's extreme cold, 50C. Our team confirmed compliance, supported by third-party test reports. Wishpower have passed chemi tests and comply with IEC, GB, T, and other international standards with strict quality control from raw materials to delivery. The clients praised our R&D and quality management, especially recognized the excellent performance of the product under harsh conditions, paving the way for future cooperation with Wishpower Thailand.